Importance of the law of diminishing marginal utility. We explain the importance of law of diminishing marginal utility with the following points. Guidance for consumer. This law guides consumer for the optimum use of their income. According to this law, consumer keeps on purchasing a product so long as its marginal utility remains higher than its price. When the falling marginal utility becomes equal to the price of the product, the consumer stops buying it. Thus, in this way, he gets the maximum total utility with the limited income he has. Base for progressive taxation. The taxes whose burden falls heavily on the rich and the poor people are affected to a limited extent by them are called the progressive tax. For example, the rate of income tax increases with the increase in income. Therefore, it is progressive tax. The law of diminishing marginal utility provides a rationale for the progressive taxes in a country. This is so because marginal utility of money with the rich people is always very low, and therefore they are required to transfer their excess money to the government by paying more taxes. On the other hand, the marginal utility of money with the poor people is fairly high, and therefore they are required to pay only a small amount of tax. A base for equal distribution of wealth. Rich people earn a lot of money, due to which marginal utility of money to them is very low, whereas marginal utility of money to the poor is very high, because they earn only a small amount of money. Thus, if money is taken away by the rich to transfer it to the poor by government measures, the rich will not lose much utility, whereas the marginal utility of money to the poor will go up. In this way, total utility of society from the stock of money in a country will go up, and the society will be better off due to equal distribution of national income in the society. Thus, law of diminishing marginal utility provide a base for equal distribution of wealth in a country.